Very good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Smart Index Edge. I am Nalnakshi Swami, analyzing the market for you people for tomorrow. I am on the daily chart. Market is showing weakness because it is showing weakness because it has fallen below the classic, rolling pivot weekly time frame. So it has closed below the support. Closing below the support, it is showing weakness. The market has closed below 25,056. And this level is very, very important. This low level is very, very important. It can come inside this level and there is immediately pivot is there. Running pivot is there. Suppose if the market takes support around this area 24,988 and reverses, then it will be very good for the market. If it breaks below this level, it can go down. It is showing weakness closing below the support. So this is how the picture looks. It is looking weak. Tomorrow, it can be a down day or a reversal day. We need to wait and watch because it is near the support. It is almost near the support. We need to watch, and Gan Hilo cusp is here around 24,868 to 24,991 are the levels to watch out. If I zoom out, there is some space, liquidity zone is here in this area, that is fair value gap. Even market can try to push down to this level, 24,922 to 24,865. And my indicator is so good, you can trade even on the intraday. It works so beautifully. This is the combo of rolling pivots and Gan Hilo trend combo. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame to show you the intraday trade. Here, opening bell itself, the market started coming down, and even though market reversed, there was a pullback, the sell signal were plotted over here. You can see that. Why the sell signals were plotted over here? Because the price were not able to, even though the pullback was there, rolling price was not able to cross the rolling hourly pivot. That's why sell signals were constantly plotted in the market. Here, the market made a low. 25,025, around 11.5, there was a reversal came. That is the pullback reversal came in the market. So beautifully, this indicator indicated the price is going to turn around. The Gan Hilo turned to blue. That magenta color turned to blue and the price climbed above the pivot, closed above here itself. It showed that I'm going to go out here in this candle around 11:45. Buy signal was generated. After that, it was a retest to the down move and the price continued. So if you would have taken 25,100 call option, that from 116, the buy signal, 112 buy signal was generated. It ran up to 161. You could have scalped over here. Same way, The sell signal was generated around 155. You could have entered into, you can see over here, sell signals, because the Regan halo turned its color and the price is confirmedly trading below the pivot. Trading below the pivot indicating and the sell signals were generated. Then you could have gone for the PE 25,100 PE was around 67. From 67 it ran up to 100. So the both ways you could have captured in. It was a difficult trade unless you would have pressed the button immediately as soon as the market opens. It is difficult within a 5 minute candle, this much wide range bar. By the time you make up your mind, the price has moved so uh, mm, swiftly. When the price moves away from the Gann high low, you should never attempt to sell the market. Press the sell the market because it is too late. It is very far away from the this Gann halo. Only selling should be taken when it pulls back and sell signal was generated. You could have entered for the sell over here. In the morning time, around 10:30, you could have entered for a sell signal. Like that, you can trade. This indicator is very good. And whoever got an access to this indicator, they are very happy. They are very pleased to get this indicator. If you have not got the access, message me on this number 98452 09600. Okay, friends. So the Nifty trend is bearish, and tomorrow, if it is almost near the support. If the support is violated, it can go down. Before going to closing, let me go to the weekly time frame and let us check where the position of the market, whether it is in a positive territory. On a weekly basis, it may be, this is the midweek breakout, and the low and the high of this candle price is here. That is, low of the candle is 24,802 and 25,092. The closing is, let me check there, close is 25,140 and the low is 24,751. So R1 is placed on weekly, it is placed around 24,943. So 24,943 you need to closely watch on the daily time frame. Market may hold this level. Market may hold this level around this area. If any reversal comes, that is a good sign. Good sign for the Nifty traders, for positional traders, and many stocks have given discount. You can enter into the discount. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Message me on this number to if you want the access for this indicator. This is a very beautiful indicator, not comparable to any indicator, not even the RSI, not even the MACD, because it is directly related to the price action. It catches the pulse of the price and plots buy and sell. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.